How to create pin in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Are you someone who values privacy and security on Messenger, especially with the rise of secret conversations and end-to-end encryption? If so, you are in the right video. Today, I will guide you through an important update, creating a pin in Messenger. Without a pin, switching devices can lead to losing access to your chat history in end-to-end encrypted chat. So in order to secure your end-to-end encrypted chats and ensure access to your chat history across multiple devices, watch this video till end and create a pin for your end-to-end encrypted chats. Let's get started. Open up Messenger on your mobile device. Once in the app, tap on the hamburger icon at the top, click on the settings icon, scroll down a bit, under preferences, enter privacy and safety section. Right here under security, you can see end-to-end encrypted chats, click on it. Within the end-to-end encrypted chats section, tap on message storage. Here you will find the option to turn on secure storage, tap on it. You will now be prompted with two options. Choose either a 6-digit PIN or a 40-character code, depending on your preference. I will select the first option and tap on continue. Finally, start creating a PIN. Make sure it is memorable as you will need it frequently when you log into other devices to access your end-to-end encrypted chat history. Once you have created the PIN, confirm your PIN and it will be submitted automatically. And there you have it. You have successfully created a pin on Messenger, ensuring access to your end-to-end encrypted chat history across devices. Now use this pin to securely access your chat history whenever you switch devices. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.